new parts. It's late. It's like 5 o'clock, daylight savings time. But I don't care. I'm about to put this on real quick. Like a little short video. So y'all already know. Also, thanks to the cameraman. Ooh, new visors, baby.
Oh.
My God, these motherfuckers fresh. So yeah.
Rain visors.
I've been missing this visor. So like I got it so I can get that shit off. I don't know if we're gonna do that tonight. We probably try to get them off and clean it all up. That way, you know what I'm saying, tomorrow or
still got some of
whatever
that
day we come back to
3M tape on there.
We can, like, you know what I'm saying, have a good, nice, warm day and stick it down. So stay tuned. We'll get right back to putting this shit on. Yeah, these I need some dice.
So y'all can see, you know, take out the grill. Just got, we're missing the pop tab. We got one right here. And zip ties. Probably gonna reinstall the new one with zip ties. We'll see. Cause these little things are a bitch. I'm not gonna lie.
Oh, there it is. This one's actually good.
That one, yeah.
It's like a lick.
What the hell?
Put that right there. It's already ready.
She's ready. Now we just gotta snip this little fucker off.
Rusty pieces of crap right here.
Went right through it. Oh, I thought I stepped on some shit.
Oh yeah.
All right, so yeah, it looks like it comes out pretty easy.
And we didn't even break it, so this one's still good. Looks nice.
So y'all can see we throwing on the Altezza front grill. Shit's gonna be sick. Oh, shit looks so good already. There go one. So as y'all can see, we're trying to line these little tabs up. Oh, that was it though.
That was me.
Now we just need this one. Hold on, don't push so hard though. Motherfucker. Now I can't see it.
I think it's on it. I think
It's
you got
on.
two at the
It's
same
on.
time. Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
This is look clean now.
It's in. I wish it was like something that clicked it into place.
Yeah. I think the ones that was there on the bumper side are gone.
Probably.
Because like they don't look like much.
Yeah. If you just shit, get that zip tie. Oh shit. We could still finagle one in the middle too. All right, y'all. So ran into a few complications, but it's looking good. Getting some zip ties on. Yep. Hold on, give me one more. We can get it. I can just go in loosely around these two holes. Just leave it like that for real. I mean, not like, I don't want to put it too tight and fuck them tabs up.
Right.
But at least you know they going nowhere in the middle.
Damn, that look fucking fresh.
Yeah, it really do. Wish there was more light out here. Looking pretty fire.
Damn, my car looking hella fire.
We're gonna have to pull up somewhere real quick.
Fuck yeah.
Get some better shots. This should look hard.
Bro, when I put the fog lights in, it's about to be stupid. It's gonna be so stupid when I put the fog lights in. I'm so happy.
Fog light video coming soon. We just restored some fog lights that he found from the junkyard. So stay tuned for that.
Yes, and then we're gonna probably sell those on the web page, so you could be looking to see those on our website, Midnight Chaos LLC. Check it out. We got some FRS headlights on there right now, and we have some emblems that you guys can get if you want to. So check that out. Yeah, man, I'm super happy with how this interior came out and getting all that.
Yeah, if you saw the last video, we cleaned this up. Took the little shitty carbon fiber off.
I need to clean this dash up still and give the car a good bath. I haven't drove it in like a couple weeks. Put my ashtray back in. I cleaned it out and didn't put it back in. Took it in the house.
Right.
You know how that go. But yeah, man, psyched. I don't know if you guys know or seen the video yet, but if you haven't, I got the new Altezza Grille. It's awesome. Super stoked about that.
Fuck yeah.
The car looks amazing.
Looks like a totally different car.
Yeah, and the next video after this will be us installing fog lights for the car.
So like Frank was saying, we got the new grill installed tonight, so we're about to pull up to a QT, try to show y'all some shots, get a good look at it in the light and everything. If you haven't already, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Midnight Chaos LLC, and hit us up for merch, midnightchaosllc.com.
New merch flies.
New merch on deck, yo. We got the mask, you know what I'm saying? Protect yourself from corona. Mask on deck, hoodies.
The new shit so fly.
Got car parts.
Gotta check the new shit.
Fuck yeah. Passing through the Grove.
Get some good shots.
And gentrified this shit real nice.
Oh man.
It's crazy.
It was just like all black people and now only people left is sweetie pies. It ain't even sweetie pies, that's Grace.
Meat 3.
Oh, the sweetie pie's gone. Completely gentrification.
This is where it was at?
Yeah, right here. That was.
Damn,
that
they
was
straight
right
closed
there.
that shit.
Swear to God.
Got calzones. No sauce on the side. That shit pretty fire.
That bank look fire.
Damn. Dirty ass window.
Yeah, dirty ass window. Sorry guys. This car's been just sitting.
Got some little fake graffiti.
Weeks. And I haven't did anything to it.
Hey man, if y'all watching this and y'all like, what the fuck's going on? This is our commentary style video, you know what I'm saying? When we first started off, we used to do commentary videos all the time. We just ride around, talk about random shit.
Show people the city.
Just cruise, you know what I'm saying? So go back and watch all the old videos and like them, you know what I'm saying, and comment and say, hey, I came and checked out your old videos. You know, we might send you a hoodie.
You heard?
Hey, stay tuned for, we're going to be doing a giveaway coming up here soon. Probably give away some merch. You know what I'm saying? Drop a comment, let us know what y'all want, man. We'll make it happen. You can help us get to 1,000 subscribers.
We need 1,000.
You know what I'm saying?
Go ahead, and share this video. Give it a like and check out the merch. Get us to 1,000. We may get 3 different people, 5 different people something, you know what I'm saying? We just trying to get to 1,000 subs, you know, help a brother out, help some brothers out, you know what I'm saying? You know, trying to like whip it out, you know what I'm saying?
All right, man, we just trying to turn up, enjoy life, enjoy these cars.
We need our subs though.
Yeah, we definitely need that. So we need that.
Playing.
We need to get to 1,000.
Yeah, need all that.
ASAP.
Yeah, need that ASAP. Playing. So just like, share, subscribe. We fucks with you, fucks with us. I might turn up.
Yeah. I'm saying we got White Castles over here. You know, drop a comment, let us know if you got White Castle in your city.
Yo, White Castle is the shit. Cause it's gonna make you shit. That's for sure.
Literally.
That's for sure.
But it's gonna be good.
It's gonna be fire. Yo, you know that's gentrified. We got a Cane's down the street now, bro. Like, Cane's, like
Cane's. Hey, Cane's be straight fire.
Hey, be hitting though, bro. For it to be so bland, bro. Be hitting. Ain't no seasoning on them.
Which one you fuck with more, Cane's or Chick-fil-A?
Cane's, nigga. Fuck Chick-fil-A.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, everybody be on that shit. I had that shit, bro. That shit made me throw it the first time I had it.
Damn.
So, like, I stopped fucking with it. I don't give a fuck how fast the service is. Bitch, it was too fast.
I will say Cane's chicken is better. They just need more sauce variety.
I think they just need to season their chicken better.
Yeah.
And motherfucking boom, we don't even matter what the fuck. You can put ketchup on that motherfucker. It's fire. You like, damn, ketchup and hot sauce. Damn.
Yeah, it do be low-key bland, but they fry it up real good. You know what I'm
Yeah.
saying? It be crispy. Yes, sir. We up here at QT.
I think
Midwest Classic, you know what I'm saying? We went down to Atlanta. That QT looked like a Walgreens.
it was amazing.
They had no gas. It's like, what the fuck is this? Up here filling up. Frank got a very slow tire leak. You know what I'm saying? Getting some air in the IS. The Altezza. You know what I'm saying? How you feeling about it?
I feel like I got like 5 to 10 horsepower just for like upgrading.
Additional.
You know what I'm saying? And like 100 style points.
Style JDM points.
You hear me?
Yeah.
Norio Kim.
Yeah, new grill looks fire.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Let us know what y'all think in the comments below. You know what I'm saying? Like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. Y'all know the drill. Midnight Chaos LLC. MidnightChaosLLC.com.
Peace.